Tonight we're coming to you live from a place on the banks of the Yamuna which has become very, very contentious over the last few days. It is, of course, the site for Art of Living's World Cultural Festival, a festival which promises to bring the world's top-class artists, a lot of cultural shows to the heart of the capital to enrich the cultural thing. But what activists were screaming about was that it was also going to rob the already suffering Yamuna River of vital biodiversity and also going to completely ruin the ecosystem of the river. That fight has been going on at the National Green Tribunal, and Siddharth Pandey has been tracking that with us as the court has said that this festival, behind me you can see the major stage, which has become very, very contentious because they feel that it's unsafe, and a lot of the activists have pointed out that Art of Living didn't get the necessary sanctions while organizing this festival. So now NGT has ruled, they've given the go-ahead, but they've also censured Art of Living. So Siddharth Pandey joins us. Siddharth, they've censured them, fined them 5 crore rupees, but what did they say about? They also spoke very clearly in their 10-page order that it was going to be bad and detrimental to the environment. How are they letting this go ahead?
Well, that's right. In fact, what the NGT has done at least is ended the uncertainty over the festival. But having ended that, it's also imposed that 5 crore interim fine. And the NGT basically just hinting that that fine could indeed go up because an expert committee formed by the NGT itself has already said there's been extensive damage which has been caused. And to undo that damage, it's going to cost us 100 to 120 crore rupees. So right now they have said we are imposing this fine of 5 crores on the Art of Living. They can go ahead with this function, but then they have to ensure that that there is no further environmental damage. They've also hauled up several agencies. The Environment Ministry has come in for flack, saying that they should have intervened. They are the protectors of the environment. They failed to do so. So 5 lakh penalty on them, 1 lakh rupees on the Delhi Pollution Control Committee, which basically said it has nothing to do with giving permissions. But the NGT said that since so many people are going to come to this site, they will create a lot of waste. What about waste management? What about damage to the environment? So they've been fined 1 lakh rupees as well. The matter is not over. A more detailed order is expected in the coming days. And in fact, the NGT will be reviewing what has happened once this festival is over.
The detailed order is coming. Just to clarify, 5 crores now. And did they also say that Art of Living, you said that the figure that you mentioned is 100 to 120 crores of damage is expected. Are they also expecting Art of Living to pay that?
Well, it remains to be seen who's going to pay it, but in fact, the expert committee by the NGT clearly said that damage has already taken place. To undo that damage, minimum 100 to 120 crores. And the expert committee also said that the Art of Living is the one who should pay this damage because they are using this facility and has to send a warning to anyone in the future. Very briefly, Sunetra, the NGT also warned the DDA not to give any such permission in the future and to set a precedent. One final point, Sunetra, which is a point of big worry here, of course, on the banks of the Yamuna is in fact the safety of the stage itself. Yes. We've accessed that letter by the CPWD to the DCP in charge of the Prime Minister's security. They have said the stage is perhaps unstable, it's not safe, the metal pipes used are corroded, the base platform perhaps is not flat enough. So there is that worry as well.
And Siddharth Pandey reporting there, and Siddharth referring to that stage behind me, and Siddharth bringing up all the kind of problems that the panel, that the CPWD all have found with it. We'll get reactions to that. Let me just introduce the people that we have today for the first reactions that we are going to get of that order coming from the Green panel. Remember, a detailed order is expected. We have, of course, joining us Vimlendu Jha. He is of Swechha. They are the ones, the petitioners who formed that online campaign, who have been fighting against Art of Living. From the Art of Living, of course, we have Dinesh Godke. He'll be telling us what they think of this order. We also have Suniti Kumar Bhattacharya. They are also Yamuna River campaigners. And we also have people, the farmers have been sitting outside and campaigning. So we have people who are representing them, Chhatrasal Basista and also Shaina NC, to give us the perspective of the central government. Remember, the censure from the court from the Green Tribunal is also towards the central government, saying you can't wash your hands off. So we'll just speak to all of them. First of all, I wanted to ask Vimlendu Jha, you are the one who went to court over this, but the court very clearly, while they accepted that it is going to create a lot of damage, the court said, because you've come to us so late, we can't put a stop like you asked to. So your reactions on that?
Sure. So first of all, it was actually our colleagues, Manoj Mishra, who actually went and filed the petition. We had actually taken the campaign on the streets. Please understand that today's court verdict is clearly a big slap, really telling Art of Living about its lies. That every environmental claim that they made on paper or in commitment, government, the NGT has actually penalized them. DDA has been penalized. DPCC has been penalized. So every stakeholder that we were actually standing against, they've been penalized. We have not been penalized by the court, right?
Yes.
So of course we understand and we respect the court that yes, perhaps we should have gone earlier. But that's what
did you go so late?
But you need to understand one thing.
Yeah.
NGT came up with the order January 2015. I have a lot of respect for NGT right now and this judgment. But this judgment of not doing no structure on the bed of in the floodplains of Yamuna is as early as January 2015.
Okay.
So if someone does not follow a rule, is it a problem or in interest of a normal citizen
Yeah.
to really go and find out if somebody is not following the rule? Because there is enough evidence that the court today said in front of everyone, and by the way, the court also said that Art of Living has no right to use enzymes, no right to really put anything in the river,
Yeah.
and said that everything that Art of Living said.
So let's
was
see what
lie.
Art of Living says about this music at the background, just to tell us that their rehearsals are going on. So Dinesh Kotke, it's not just Vimlendu and all who are fighting. The NGT panel very clearly saying that you are harming. I mean, you are harming the Yamuna. How do you respond to that as a responsible organization?
I have seen Yamuna. We have been working on the Yamuna since 2010. Okay. At that time, 5,000 volunteers removed jerkins, removed the stuff from Yamuna. And because there are 17 nalas being dumped into it, well, it is back to its own state. So
Do you accept that the payment, the fine that you've been given of 5 crores, do you accept that for whatever reason that you are going to be causing harm with this festival?
again, I respect the NGT's. At the same time, whether they enforce something or not, we are going to self-enforce that we will leave this place in a much better condition that we have found.
Clearly said that you've
Whatever, whether they do it or not.
No, please, let's have respect, because NGT clearly said that there's no mincing of words, that there is absolute, damage done to the river plain. So and nobody's talking about 5,000 people. Just because you had 5,000 people picking up 500 kg tons of garbage, that does not give you a right to do what you have done.